Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Braze account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you import your contacts into your Braze account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to upload your contacts into Braze anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that sending out personalized messages can help increase conversions, and Braze is a popular way to do that. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. Is handled here in your Braze dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Braze account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to go ahead and import your contacts, here on the left side, you're going to click on Audience. Once you do that, you'll see a pop-out menu, and you want to click on this button here, Import Users. Okay, once you do that, you're going to get the upload section right here. So they do let you know it needs to be a CSV file up to 1 megabyte. So you can easily just drag the file right over here, or you can click right here and browse files. Okay, once you do that, it's going to automatically map it out. So make sure the mapping looks correct. So first name, last name. If everything looks good, go ahead and click on Start Import. Okay, depending on how many contacts you're going to be uploading, it could take a little bit. So this was only 6 files. So it went through in about 15-20 seconds. And you should see this here, status complete. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to import or upload your contacts into your Braze account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.